Welcome to our guide on transforming your small front yard into a beautiful outdoor space. Today, we'll explore various design elements that you can incorporate to enhance the aesthetics and functionality of your yard. Let's start with the foundation of any landscaping project: paving stones or pavers. These versatile materials can be used to create pathways or patios, adding both practicality and visual appeal to your yard. Next up, gravel. Gravel pathways not only provide a charming rustic look but also offer excellent drainage and are low maintenance. Now, let's talk about mulch. Mulch not only helps to retain moisture and suppress weeds but also adds a neat and tidy finish to your flower beds. To add a touch of natural beauty, consider incorporating decorative rocks or boulders into your landscape design. These elements can serve as focal points and add texture to your yard. For areas that require structural support or terracing, retaining walls are essential. These can be built using a variety of materials to complement your overall design aesthetic. Now, let's move on to fencing or gates. Not only do they provide privacy and security, but they also frame your yard and add character. To add height and vertical interest, consider adding arbors or trellises. These structures provide support for climbing plants and can serve as stunning focal points. For a clean and polished look, garden edging is crucial. It defines borders between different areas of your yard and helps to keep things organized. If you're a fan of gardening, raised garden beds are a fantastic addition. They not only make gardening easier but also add visual interest to your yard. Now, let's brighten things up with outdoor lighting fixtures. Strategically placed lights can highlight key features of your yard and create a warm ambience. For a touch of tranquility, consider adding water features such as fountains or ponds. The soothing sound of running water can create a relaxing atmosphere in your yard. To add a touch of artistry, statues or sculptures can be incorporated into your landscape design. These pieces add personality and charm to your outdoor space. Now, let's create some cozy corners with benches or seating areas. These provide a place to relax and enjoy the beauty of your yard. If you have limited space, containers or planters are a great way to add greenery. They can be placed strategically to add pops of color and texture. For added comfort, outdoor carpets or rugs can be placed in seating areas. Not only do they add warmth, but they also define spaces. Garden ornaments such as wind chimes or birdhouses add whimsy and charm to your yard. They're a fun way to personalize your outdoor space. Next, let's talk about privacy screens. Whether it's lattice panels or tall plants, these elements can create secluded retreats within your yard. Now, let's elevate your outdoor living experience with decking or porches. These extensions of your home provide additional space for entertaining and relaxing. For a touch of elegance, consider adding gazebos or pergolas. These structures not only provide shade but also serve as architectural focal points. Finally, let's turn our attention to outdoor kitchens or barbecue areas. Perfect for entertaining, these spaces make cooking and dining al fresco a breeze. And there you have it. By incorporating these design elements into your small front yard, you can transform it into a stunning outdoor oasis that you'll love spending time in. Thanks for watching, and happy landscaping. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. To learn more, visit rofhome.com.